This completely free website will allow you to make $16 over and over again for an indefinite period of time. And regardless of where you're coming from, if you want to make even more money without doing anything, stay tuned until the end of this video because I will show you another bonus. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So the site that we will be using today is called Dailyuploadsnet. It's a site that I'm sure most of you have never heard of. So, to explain how it works, it's similar to Uploadship and many others in that it pays you whenever someone downloads a file you've uploaded on here. When someone tries to download one of your files, they will be first presented with a series of advertisements before being able to download the files in question. And the ad money will be split between you and the website. However, there is one significant difference that sets this website apart from the competition. It pays significantly more per 1,000 downloads than similar sites, as I will demonstrate later in this video. Furthermore, one of the best things about this website is that you don't have to promote your files on social media or anything else in order to get paid. This website takes care of it for you. But as I mentioned at the beginning, I have a significant bonus that will dramatically improve the number of visitors you receive and allow you to earn far more money. Also, you may find out how much money you'll be paid and other payment-related information by clicking on Make Money right here. On this website, you can see that the minimum payout is $25, which is a bit of a drawback, but it's still not that bad. You can also notice that they provide a variety of payment alternatives, including Skrill, WebMoney, and also Bitcoin for individuals who like cryptocurrency, so that you will have a variety of options to get paid. Now consider this. For every 1,000 downloads, you can earn up to $16, which may not sound like much, but it actually is. You can also see that by comparing the prices of other similar platforms like uploadforever.com, you will see that this website will only pay you $7 for every 1,000 downloads. So, for the same number of downloads, Daily Uploads will earn us more than twice as much money, which is a significant difference, and this is one of the main reasons why I am showing you this website. Now, back on this page, you can see that they do have a referral system in place, and this is a great way to make some extra cash while using this website. Now with that said, the amount of traffic it receives is another major reason why I am showing you this. After all, the number of monthly visitors has a significant impact on the amount you will be paid. Visit similarweb.com for the most up-to-date statistics. This website will provide you statistics such as how many people visit a website each month, which countries send the most visitors to this site, and so on. And when I look up for daily uploads, I discovered that nearly 2 million people use this platform every month. This is actually a pretty decent amount of visitors. Now when you think about it, 10,000 people downloading a file you have uploaded might earn you up to $160 each month. And do take note that that is only 6% of the total number of people that use this site on a monthly basis. And because of that, this website will allow you to make a lot of money very quickly. Anyway, to start generating money with daily uploads, you must first join by clicking the sign up button in the upper right corner. Then, enter your username, email address, password, and payment information. Once done, just click on I'm not a robot and click on submit. And right after that, you will be able to log in into your brand new account. Now with everything out of the way, one major question remains. What files will you be uploading? Now what you can do is go to sites like Free PLR Downloads and others and look for files like tutorials, ebooks, and other types of files that include useful information for the person downloading the file, resulting in additional downloads. However, I prefer to use a website called pexels.com to post my files. On this site, you may find royalty-free images and videos that you can download and use without violating anyone's copyright or the need of attribution. Also, adding some photos or videos from here is a great idea because they will be useful to others. They are royalty-free, so they can do whatever they want with them. And Pexels has some stunning photographs and videos. Also, the fact that not many people are aware of Pexels is also crucial. For example, you might browse for beach videos because not only do they look great, but they are also popular and more people will want to download them. Also, you don't have to look only for beach, and you don't have to look for videos either. Searching for a landscape or beautiful landscape is another great idea. And as a side note, if you want to upload photos on a daily basis, make sure you download multiples of them, at least 4 or 5. Group them together in a folder and upload the entire folder, because daily uploads require the file to be at least 1 megabyte in size. So anyway, if you discover anything you like, simply click on the photo or video in question, like this video of a beach that is really stunning. Then click on Free Download in the top right corner to save it to your computer for free. To upload the file, go to the site and click here, then locate the file on your computer and open it. Then just click on Start Upload right here and wait for it to finish. As you can see, when it does finish, you will be offered with the file's link, and as I previously stated, this website will drive traffic to your link, and people will download your content anyway. However, I strongly advise you to still share this link with others so that you can obtain as many downloads as possible. Sharing it in multiple Facebook groups, for example, is a fantastic idea, so as Twitter, Instagram, and all other social media platforms in general. But if you want to get traffic without doing anything, then I highly recommend you to check this tool right here. This website is called grabextreme.com. This website will get you unlimited traffic in just 29 seconds, even if you are a newbie with 0 skills and 0 experience, as you can see. The great thing about this software is that it will get you traffic to any link out there so you can use it to promote various products. Furthermore, if you recall, Daily Uploads has a referral program, so you can use this tool to promote not only your file links but also your referral link, allowing you to earn a lot more money. Having that said, do take note as well that this is a paid software. But before you leave this video, take a look at what it says here. Get results or we'll refund your money within 365 days. So they will not only give you a year's worth of money back, but they will also pay you if it doesn't work out. So you have nothing to lose by giving this gadget a shot. And believe me when I say that once you do, you'll notice big results and won't even need that money back guarantee. So if you want to earn passive income, just do these steps that I showed you today. Keep on downloading and re-uploading files. Share the link, and you can also take advantage of the referral program to make big money online. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.